Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by slicing one large eggplant into 1/2 rounds and sprinkling salt to draw out moisture. This concentrates flavor and prevents sogginess. Once salted and rested for 20 minutes, rinse and pat dry. Make sure to remove excess liquid. Meanwhile, set 3 stations: flour, beaten eggs, and seasoned panko breadcrumbs. This assembly line speeds the process and ensures even coating. Heat 1/4 cup olive oil in a skillet over medium-high, so the first slices sizzle on contact and form a golden crust. You now bread each slice, coat in flour, dip in egg, then press into panko. This 3-step binds crumbs for a crisp exterior. Once breaded, fry in batches so the oil temperature stays steady. Cook about 2 to 3 minutes per side until a deep golden color develops because proper browning builds flavor and prevents sogginess. After frying, blot on paper towel. Then arrange slices in a baking dish with a thin layer of marinara and shredded mozzarella, so the final bake melts the cheese without steaming the crust. You finish by layering the fried eggplant with remaining marinara and 1 to 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella. Then bake at 375 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes until bubbling and just golden. This melds flavors and melts cheese without overcooking. Once done, let it rest 5 to 10 minutes so slices set and hold shape. Then garnish with basil and Parmesan. If pieces are soggy, make sure to bake longer or use a brief broil. This recrisps the top and firms the base without drying flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.